So what do you have right here? Okay, what's this? We have water in a measuring cup. Okay, this is a bowl to put everything in. Then we have the Easy Bake Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix right here. And then we have a spatula. And then we have a pan right here. And then we have her oven that's right here. Today's the first day that Janai is using an Easy Bake oven, and we're going to see how it works. It's been sitting for a while, so we'll see. Okay.
And a fork here.
Yep.
The water here. And the circle here.
A bowl. Yep.
What is this?
That's a spatula.
This is a pan.
A pan. Yep. And we have to get all of the ingredients. So we have water. Then we have the Easy Bake
Sugar.
Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. And then we have the spatula, and then the pan. So get me turning it on. So we're gonna turn it on. And these Easy Bake ovens are old school, so hopefully this comes out right. So we have to put the mix. Wow. Let's smell it first. All right, smell it. You smelled it?
Yeah.
How did it smell? Okay. I forgot this was chocolate chips. I thought that was something else. No, we're not using all of the water because it's only supposed to be a teaspoon of water, I believe. So just gonna do a little bit. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna stir it. Keep stirring. I'll add a little bit more water. Go ahead, keep going.
The water table so much.
Hmm?
You keep the water table so much.
All right, let me try it. Let me see if I can do anything differently. No, I think you did it good. I don't think it's supposed to be like this though. Let's add some more water and see. It only supposed to be, wow, I think that's too much. Well, we'll see. I thought I had the instructions right, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Gosh. Hold on, let me put the rest of it in. Oh, this looks like slop. All right. So yeah, we have to put in the oven. Putting it in. All right. And then I'll push it through. Here, you can push it through with this. Push it through a little bit. I'll tell you when to stop. Go ahead. Okay, slow, slow. Go ahead. Okay. A little bit more. All right, there we go. So we have to let that sit for 10 minutes and then we'll pull it out. So we'll come back after 10 minutes. All right, so we're back. It's 10 minutes later. So let's take it out. It smells good. We'll see what happens, right, Janai? All right, so push it out the back. Hold on, slow, slow. And then look down here. Go ahead, push it out. Push it out. Slow. Go slow. I don't know why I always thought easy bake ovens comes out by itself. Take your time. Janai is pushing with both hands, trying to get it out. See it right there. All right, let me try from this side. You got it. Here we go. All right, here it is. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Don't touch it, it's hot, hot. All right, let's put it on. It's hot, so put it on the coaster. All right, get the fork. Hold on, let me wipe it
I got it.
So we have a fork.
Let's taste it.
Okay. It's not too hot no more. All right.
not.
Here, you want to taste it? You be the first to taste. All right. Here you go.
It don't taste bad.
You didn't even taste it yet.
It don't taste bad.
It doesn't?
It just tastes good.
It does? Yeah. Are you sure? Okay. I'm not going to taste it though. Sure it tastes good? Why are you holding your mouth like that? You want some more?
River.
Here. So Janai is eating the cookie.
It tastes good.
It tastes good? That's good. So Janai made her first easy bake chocolate chip cookies. All right? Give yourself a hand. So we will be back with other videos of Janai cooking, Janai doing what? Going to the library and everything. Look at the camera. All right, tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye.